The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 75, in effect until 12 midnight Central Daylight Time for the following counties in the listening area: in Arkansas, Benton, Carroll, Madison, and Washington; in Missouri, Berry and McDonald; in Oklahoma, Adair, Cherokee, Delaware, and Ottawa. Hail up to golf ball size and wind gusts up to 75 miles an hour will be possible in and close to the watch area. Average storm movement is expected to be to the east at 40 miles an hour. A severe thunderstorm watch means conditions are favorable for severe weather in and close to the watch area. Persons in these areas should be alert for threatening weather conditions and listen for later statements or warnings. Lake wind advisory remains in effect